I can't stand intros.
Hey everyone, I hope you're having a super fantastic day wherever you might be. In a recent video, I took the Ranger Grip 57 Hunter out into the woods, made coffee and a cheese omelet. Also, not too far in the distant past, I took the Ranger Wood 55 into the woods and cut myself. And a recent acquisition to the collection is the Ranger Grip 158. And I got a lot to say about this one. I really like it, actually. I'd like to talk about all three of them, do some comparisons and things like that, and just talk about them. Let me know if it's a video that you guys would be interested in. I will go based on these. If I see a lot of these, then I won't even bother. Won't waste my time. But anyway, if you do like these knives and you would like my thoughts on them, I'd be happy to give them. Let me know what you think. In the meantime, have a super fantastic day. Bye for now.